Alrighty, I am trying something here. This is my coffee. I am putting it in this bowl. And after I put it in this bowl, we're going to find out what I'm doing. Stick in there and watch around. We might find something interesting. Okay? Okay. Alrighty. I have my coffee in here. I have my sugar, baking soda, baking powder, as much as you would like. I'll get some of my flour, my baking beautiful flour, and then put some. I use that. It is for sure nothing much. You don't really need to see. I'm just exercising my other brain. Alrighty, there we go. Voila. It is cool so far. I can assert to that. Voila. Now that I'm done here, I want to mix everything. Guess what we are making? Okay, I have put everything in there. Find this guy and then get my water. This is cool water. For some reason, I think it's a good idea. I will go in. Voila, voila, mix, 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 mix. Voila. Look at that. I'll do this several times. That's me adding a little flour or a lot of it. The firmer, sometimes the chewier and the better. I love mine on the chewier side. I like to chew. Chew your food, people. Chew your food. It's good for you. Okay, it's not fine. It's gonna be. I am bringing my butter. I add in my butter and then go. Now it's nice and warm. Let's do this. Go, 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 go. Alrighty, go, 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 go. Baking is chemistry indeed. Yep. If you put in baking soda, baking powder, baking flour, test, test, test. Never serve something you didn't test. Sounds like a plan. Test one more time. Affirmation. I still want to add in flour. I am not measuring because I have my ancestors on my head. Okay, that's enough according to me. Stuck. Yeah, it's good. Alrighty, I set it at 350, but it should be, I'll make it 400. I need all the heat I can get to make this to perfection. Guess what? My butter is ready. Slow but sure. Absolutely. It needs help and I will be here. Okay. Gonna slide it around. Okay, what's in here is just coffee, water, cold water, baking flour, baking soda, baking powder, sugar. I used brown sugar today. And just, whoa. Okay, I was saying something. This is just butter made of baking flour, baking soda, baking powder, brown sugar, coffee. The one that I sieved was just coffee and cold water. And I used butter. There is nothing dairy in here. Well, butter is, but not the milk, no eggs. I thought a dry butter would be a good idea today. Let's go. My heat is up. Voila. We wait and see. It's hot in here. It's risen in here. That's interesting. I'll check it. It is clean. It is ready. Let's go. It's so good to go. It is hot. Now, this is the coffee cake. Wow. It actually looks good from the back. It is definitely a coffee cake because I didn't remove the coffee. Okay, we'll see how it goes. A little lemonade would make it taste even better. Mind-blowing. Push. This is my coffee cake. And I adorned it with some lemon. What could go wrong? I don't think anything would. It is still hot, so we gotta leave it here. Okay, this is what I made, and it's a coffee cookie. Sounds like it. I'll go in with my knife and then make a few smaller pieces and then save some. It is a coffee cookie because I thought it's a good idea. Okie dokie, there we go. I made 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7, that's 14. I'll test it and then I'll let you know what up. Look at that coffee cake, coffee cookie. It is more on the foam side. It tastes like coffee. It is not sweet, it's not sour. It is just right. Bon appetit. I'm gonna try picking it up. Come on now. Okay. No way. It doesn't wanna go. Okay, I'll go with a few. Yeah, it won't allow to go. Okay, there we go. This I'll eat. Yep, that happens sometimes. You got a snack jackpot right there.